Well, here's our little apartment in Denver, Colorado. There's my husband sweeping the floor. There's our little living room. Some paintings that I made. It's little, but it's cute. We like it. It's our little kitchen. There's my kitty Manek. Hi, Manek. A little tiny kitchen. A little sunny spot. And my husband. There's our little girl kitty Mika. Some French doors. We have a washer and dryer over here in this closet. That's our front door right there. My husband's little office den right here. Has a little den. And we have, here's our little bathroom. Just a little tiny bathroom with a shower and a bathtub. And a little sink. And here's our bedroom. This is where our kitties sleep. And this is where we sleep. It's sunny here in Denver. Let me show you the rest of the bedroom. We have a big closet right here. And a little dresser. And back into our living room. And we have a little patio out here. There are bicycles. And we live on the 3rd floor so we can see down. In the spring and summer this tree is in full bloom and it's really beautiful. A little tiny patio here. Some little plants that we usually have in the spring and summer, but right now it's winter, so it's a little bit snowy here in Denver. Andy sits out there every day, talks to our neighbors. And here's the best part of our apartment. We have a little loft, which I use as an art studio, and it's quite cute. We have vaulted ceilings.